super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Owolabi TV and today's episode on the outlook. I'm really excited. I want to share with you what I'm expecting for this week. I didn't send it. We didn't upload it on Sunday as expected because there was really anything much in the market. Now let's understand how we approach the market in ITC community, which is institutional trading concept. What we basically do is that we actually identify our approach has to do with higher time frame. We pick trades from monthly, weekly, daily zones, and that is our natural approach of trading. Then we redefine our entries on lower time frames to be able to catch 1 to 20, 1 to 50, 1 to 100 as the case may be. Okay, so it doesn't allow us to trade every time because of a lot of people in the community. Some of them are doctors, some of them are into several other things that they are busy with. However, we also have the ITC scalping group, ITC intraday. So the intraday allows us to be able to pick out intraday trades and be able to, take trades on 1 minute, on 5 minutes, as the case may be. Okay, so upper week I told you guys about AUD USD and AUD NZD, that we're expecting the AUD NZD to drop and AUD USD to drop, but we needed to use confirmation because of the correlation with pairs like GBP AUD and Euro AUD. So that didn't fly because they were not ready. AUD USD didn't fly because it wasn't ready for it to drop. But for those in the Telegram group, the free Telegram group, you notice that I dropped the AUD NZD there for you guys to pick and GBP USD for you guys to pick. Currently, the GBP has delivered over 1 to 20, okay, and AUD NZD has delivered over 1 to 15 or 1 to 22. Okay, but for AUD NZD, personally, I'm expecting it to go really deeper into weekly level zones, which will be taking it about, making it deliver about 400 pips. So for me, I totally want you guys to understand that to enjoy trading is not another work. The goal here is to multiply your money, okay? And you want to be able to identify what suits you. So as a medical doctor, as a teacher in a school, as an entrepreneur, somebody who works in the bank, you want to be able to learn a skill set that little money you earn, you can use it to grow. So I totally recommend that you pick your analysis from monthly if you're really a busy person, weekly, monthly and weekly. And if you are averagely an intraday person, you want to pick your analysis from 4 hours and daily levels, and you can now speed it up or move it down to 1 minute and 5 minutes. So you need to master that, okay? So right now, I will be sharing my screen to check out some of the potential trades I'm looking at for this week. Okay, let's see you on the other side. Just I'll share the screen right now. Okay, so this was the AUD USD trade that I dropped for you guys. And why did we enter this trade? We entered this trade based on the sell trend line. Okay, we had a sell trend line there. Okay, we have a sell trend line here, and we also have a monthly demand rally-based drop here. Then we also have a break of what? A break of structure that approves this zone. And from here, we went to 4 hours. And in 4 hours, we were able to catch. So when I told you guys the entry was here, so the market came into this place And personally, I was able to catch this move. I was able to catch this move on a 9 pip stop loss. Okay. And currently that's dropped over 120 pips, which is 1 to 12. But because it's not a kind of pair that moves like the rest, like GBP USDs or GBP pairs or Euro AUD pairs, you have to be able to give it time, patience with it. Okay. So my first take profit will be around this low. Okay. My second take profit will be around this place. Then, as the case may be, my third take profit will be here, which is where I'm expecting to buy in the nearest future. Okay. However, you want to be able to be patient with your trade and always protect your capital. Okay. Always protect your capital. So you can see how we're able to catch the 9 pip stop loss. So if you're moving this on a $1,000 account and you're able to risk maybe 1 or 2% of your account, currently you should be able to have done about, if you risk $10, you should have done like $120 right now. Okay, if you reach $20, you should have done like $240 right now. So you don't really need to do so much or be actively be monitoring chart to be able to catch the best of the trades. Okay, the second trade I gave you guys on the Telegram group for the people in the Telegram group. The second trade is GBP NZD and GBP USD. And GBP USD, we have a sell bias. We've personally picked this trade in the, this is where we entered the trade in the group. This was our entry in the group. So we are still holding this trade in our community. And currently we've done over 1 to 40. That's over 500 pips that we have caught already. But for those in the Discord group, I gave them last week on this 4-hour trade. This was the trade I dropped on the group. Okay, so this was it, and I gave it to them. So if you, those who are in the free Telegram group, the link is always on the description, so you can make sure you join. That has also done over 300 pips. For those who are still holding it, so if you are no more holding it, definitely you're out of it. But you know, you want to be able to do more, do less trading, let the trade run, and just keep milking it. That's the approach. Okay, just keep milking it. Okay, just keep milking it. Just keep milking it. Okay, so for this week, I'm looking at I'm looking at the AUD pairs for a sell off, especially AUD USD. Yes. So I'm looking at NZD card. Okay. I'm looking at NZD card. I'm looking at NZD card at this drop-based drop. Let me go to monthly. Okay. At this drop-based drop or at this rally-based drop rally. So if you can get anything around this place, this is where I'm going to be selling NUD card. Okay, and if we sell there, that's what we're expecting in the group. We're going to be coming out here. We're going to be coming out here. Okay, then we can take our take profits here. Okay, but we're going to be coming out here. This is where we're going to be buying. Okay, this is where we're going to be buying, but this is where we're going to be selling. So if you can get a confirmation that this guy is still going down here, we will shoot this week. Okay, we'll shoot this week. It's not ready for a sell right now. Don't be in haste. Always wait. Always wait. So NZD card is on our radar. NZD sorry, also is on our radar. There could be more momentum up, okay, because it's already been controlled from a monthly demand. So we're looking at anything around this place for a sell, or anything around this place for a sell. Okay, so I feel it's still going to go up, then drop, go up, drop. Okay, but if you're an intraday trader, obviously you can catch up all these rough moves. Okay, go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. You know, if you really want to be trading every day, but if you really want to catch the main move, you have to wait till it comes into the zone. So in the ITC community, we are waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. You can see AUD chef. We're waiting. We're waiting. And in the outlook section too, we have several trades that we are waiting for. So I want you guys to understand it. It's all about waiting. It's all about waiting. It's all about waiting. Okay, we are still holding GBP card sell from here. From here. Okay, as currently it has given us over 1 to 85. So when it gets to 1 to 100, I'm going to do a video on it. I gave you guys the case study. So there's nothing to do on that pair again right now, except for intraday. Okay. Then the major trade that is already looking at what we want to trade is Euro AUD, but it's still struggling at that demand zone. So I'm not sure it's going to play out this week, except you want to trade intraday. Okay, except you want to trade intraday. I'm not sure it's going to play out this week. It's already struggling around, doing some accumulation right here. Okay, so that could give us what we want. Okay, NZD USD is already at the flip zone. Okay, I got a message from one of us who is following me big time, shared his results on NZD USD trade. Okay, I strongly feel that I should be out of it right now, because when the market got to this level, the imbalance has dropped. So right now, I think there should be some more volume upward, because it's yet to get to the what? To the supply zone. So you need to fill up this drop-based drop. You need to fill up this drop-based drop or rally-based drop. So I still feel that NZD USDC has more room up. AUD USDC has more room up. Euro AUD still has more room down. Euro NZ. Euro NZD also has more room down. So guys, it's all about patience. So right now, whenever there is no swing trade, then we'll go intraday. We go intraday by trading the levels that the market has already created on daily and on weekly. So for this afternoon in our community, we're going to be looking at AUD card for intraday. Okay, AUD card for intraday and AUD USD for intraday for a buy. So it has to meet our conditions before we shoot. But we are looking at risking between 5 and 10 pips. That's how we trade intraday. Okay, yeah, that's how we trade intraday. So guys, that's it for this week. Don't forget you want to patiently wait for NZD card. Okay, wait for NZD card to come up here. I strongly feel that it's going to come up into this place. Okay, NZD I strongly feel is going to come up into this place. AUD chef, NZD I strongly feel is going to come up into this place. I'm in this buy. I'm in this buy on on NZD Chef. So I'm expecting it to come up here. So this is what we have for this week. It's not as close as what we had last week, but if there's anything we're going to be sharing in the free community, my team will definitely drop it on the Telegram group, okay? So I look forward to your success. If you have been gaining some value from all our financial trading culture videos, always post your comment, ask your questions. My team will be there to help you out. If there's anything we need to come up with, we'll let you know. For those who are interested in joining the community, you have all it takes, okay? Just shoot us an email. The link to the details, the link to join the community is also in the description group. If you want just join the community, we have the $100 per month subscription base. Then we have the one-on-one mentorship plan. Okay, just join, gain access, because you don't just want to be everywhere. You don't just want to trade isolatedly. You want to trade with like minds that can see what you're expecting to see, so that you can rub shoulders and you're good to go. So guys, I look forward to your success. Let's get an update during the week. Let's see how your trades are going. And if you have any question, don't forget to shoot us an email or comment below. To email us, you can send an email to contact@mayowolabi.com. Okay? Don't forget to click on the subscriber button if this is your first time, and share to help somebody also see this value. Okay? Make sure you click on the notification bell also. I'm sure this will help you. I'll talk to you guys soon.